Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vertical video in Final Cut Pro. It's really quite simple, and you can use vertical video taken from your cell phone, or you can take horizontal video and you can use it within the vertical video format by using the transform tool. So I need to switch to screen recording so that you can see my screen up close, and I will show you where to find the vertical video format.
Once in Final Cut Pro, the first thing you need to do is click on Open Library on the left and create a new library in the location where you want it to be. I have found my location and I'm going to create a new folder titled with today's date, and I'm going to call this new folder Vertical Video of Sanli, where we vacationed last summer. And next I need to create the name of the library, and I'm going to call it by the same name, Vertical Video of Sanli. Okay, click Save, and next is to import video, and I am going to just pull up some random footage from our vacation. I'm not sure exactly where it is. I need to look and see. Okay, it must be in here. There's probably several videos I can just pull. We're not concerned about how the videos are going to look because some of these videos are not the best quality, but that's okay. We're just trying to show you how to do it. So let's grab a couple of these, and we're going to push over on the right the blue button, import selected, and here they are in our Final Cut Pro. Next we need to create a new project. I'm going to title it Vertical Video of Sanli, and it's going to be saved in the event that we've already have here. And then this is the drop down menu where you can find the vertical video format. This is the key right here. Oops, it switched to 360. Vertical video. That is how you make a vertical video in Final Cut Pro. Next we look at the resolution. It's 720 by 1280. It's 24 frames per second, which is what I filmed in, and therefore here it is. So now we want to drag our clips and take them down to the timeline. And there you have it. We have our clips down here. So over here up on the right, you can see in our viewing window that we have our horizontal video here in a vertical video format, but we need those horizontal videos to be larger. So on the right, under that little drop down menu, you can change how large the viewing window is. That's all it does. It doesn't change the actual size of your video clips, just the viewing window. So to change the videos, to change the actual clips, you need to click on Transform tool, and you see these little blue nodules, and when you pull it from the right corner or the left corner or top corners, you can resize your video to be larger. Now I'm changing my window view to 50% so I can see the entire clip that I have and which portion I want. I can slide it to the right or I can slide it to the left, and you can move it around until you get the portion of video that you want to see. Next, you want to move the playhead over to the next clip and do the same for it. So I'm going to hit the shift button to pause and select that clip and turn it yellow, and then go up to the transform tool, which is already blue. It has to be blue to work. Grab my blue nodules and scale it out and move it around until I find the exact part of that clip that I want to see. And I need to do this for all of the rest of my clips that are horizontal. If the clips were vertical, well then they would come in the right location. But I'm going to transform the rest of my clips, and then I can get the video footage to where I want it to be. Now that we have transformed all of our horizontal clips into the vertical video format, we can move our playhead back to the beginning and watch our video and see if we want to make any adjustments. I'm going to speed this clip up so that you do not get bored watching. The last thing I'm going to do is show you how you can check to make sure that you did indeed make this clip in a vertical video format. So click up here on your project, the Vertical Video of Sanli, and then you're going to go far over to the right and click on this Modify button, and you can check and make sure that yes indeed you did make this a vertical video, and cancel because we don't need to make any changes. And here's your first vertical video in Final Cut Pro.